Hey guys, it's Ada here again, and we are back with another vlogmas video. And today we are going to be doing this chicken. So as you guys can see, I already cleaned my chicken and wiped it, and we are putting I'll definitely just list all the ingredients on there, so just you can definitely see it, but I'll list it all in my description box, so don't worry, you'll see everything on there. So this chicken, oh my god, it tasted amazing. It was bomb. Okay, so this hot chicken, this sweet chicken is very good for this weather. Okay, so do go ahead and just keep watching. So now I'm adding my cayenne pepper, and so let's add that garlic. As you guys can see, I'm not speeding anything up because I want you guys to kind of like see everything I'm doing, and you guys don't have to miss any parts. So I'm adding my North seasoning powder. I always get that from Sam's. Like most of my seasonings I get from Sam's. I just get a few of them from Walmart. So now we are going to mix that and mix it as much as you can. Mix it properly. And then I'm adding a little cornstarch to it, and I'm just going to toss that around a little bit. Now in your hot oil, start adding your chicken. Of course, you already know what to do. Oh my god, I get so excited whenever I post like cooking videos or food content. I don't know why, but I just get so excited. I mean, I guess because it's food. I mean, who does not love food? Everybody loves food, so why not? So you're going to wait until it's golden brown. Flip that around a little bit and then go ahead and take it out. Now in the sauce, put some butter in a little pan and add your, what is it called? Add your parsley, don't mind me. Add your parsley in there. You see, I can't even remember what I used. So I used my parsley and my garlic in there. Now you're going to pour that over your chicken and toss it around. Toss it as much as you can. Okay, toss it as much as you can. Mix it. Make sure everything is mixed in properly. And then we'll go ahead and sprinkle a little Parmesan cheese on there because this is garlic Parmesan chicken. Okay. So we are going to go ahead and sprinkle a little Parmesan cheese on there, or as much as you want, honestly. Once it's the food you're cooking for yourself, you can do whatever you like. Okay, nobody can tell you nothing. So go ahead and do that, and we are going to serve this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Of course, watch till the end. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, I honestly don't know what you're waiting for. Like, I give you guys the whole like, come on, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and smash the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. I'm going to be giving you guys back to back video on this vlogmas 2022. Okay, so go ahead and subscribe if you have not done that. Make sure you share this video. Don't be stingy. Share this video with your friends and family. Of course, I enjoyed that with my sauce, whatever sauce you want. I'll see you guys in the next one.